Hey guys, this is Jack from Thorn Technologies, and today I'm going to show you how to manually add an SSH key to a VM instance in Google Cloud. Alright, we're going to start in Compute Engine and then go to VM Instances, and then we're going to click on the instance we want to add our SSH key to. Next, we're going to click Edit, and then scroll down until we reach the section titled Security and Access. And then right here under SSH keys, there's an option to add item. So we're going to click that, and it gives us a space to paste in the public SSH key. This tutorial already assumes that you have an SSH key in mind on your system that you plan to use. So right now I'm going to show you how to get the contents of that SSH key. To get the contents of your public SSH key, we're going to use the get content command on PowerShell. And then we're just going to type out the path name and make sure to include the extension .pub so you get the public contents instead of the private contents. And then we're just going to copy and paste this. If you're using Bash, there's a slightly different command you'll have to use, but it does the same thing. Both commands will be listed in the description below. Now that we have the key contents, we can just paste it in here. This part at the end can be replaced with whatever you want your new username to be. I will just call it Jack. And then we're just going to click Save. With that, your specified SSH key should have been added, so you should now be able to connect to the instance using that key. Now let's just grab the external IP. Then we're going to navigate to the terminal. Then we're going to do the key path. Then we're going to use our new username, paste in that external IP. And would you look at that? We're in the instance. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and checking out the other Thorn Technologies social accounts. And as always, have a wonderful day.